Welcome to YOUCANIC. Now we're going to go over how you get into access to replace these two lights. This is an LED up at the top. That's part of your park light, and there's no way to replace that. I mean, except for the whole element, or assembly, the tail light assembly. So to get to this light, which is a rear fog light that you have a switch up front to turn it on, and to replace your reverse light, you need to open up your trunk. And once it's up to where you would like it, just hit the stop button. So once it's up here, take your regular non-marring tool, work your way around on the inside, work your way around here. Oh. And pop it off and pop it down. It's pretty tough. You think you're going to break everything. Then you can go ahead and just unhook the electric. Get this out of the way. And then this is, you can just twist that light bulb out. If you need to replace this light bulb, this is just W5W, and you just pull it out and push that one back in. And that is just your courtesy light for your trunk. You have to remove this handle, which clamps together and then presses in there, and you'll have a little indent on this side that you can pop it open, and then this piece comes off, and then you've got these clamps inside here that you gotta squeeze together and then pull this handle off. And this handle goes right here, and so once you pull that handle off, then you can be able to get the rest of this off. Now we'll continue to work our way around to pop the push pins so that we can get to that tail light assembly itself. And then once you got all the push pins pulled out, there's this latch here that holds it up in top there. And now we've got that pulled down. We can just set that aside. But now we have access to our lights back here to be able to replace. Okay? And so the bottom one here is that lower tail light. You just got to rock it out, and then once you got it out, press it in, twist it to remove. The 1, 2, 3, 5 bulb, get a new one. You line up the dots, twist it, and then you just press it back in. And then the reverse light, same way, just pull it out. And here's your bulb. This is a 921. It's the same bulb that you use for the brake light. 921 is the reverse light and the brake light. And so you pull it out, and then to replace, just snap it back together, and then just go ahead and press it into place. It lines up and it'll push right in. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.